Hi cookmates, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. And happy new year. This is my first video in 2025. I know this year I pray for consistency. Let's get started. Today we'll be making jollof rice, a smoky jollof rice. So what I'm doing basically, I'm just prepping and I'm going to roast my pepper. I've been doing this lately with my jollof rice and I love it. Kiki's Foodies and Darry Kitchen Lover, they do this a lot and I try to follow up, and trust me, there's no going back. If I'm in haste and I don't want to go through this process, in my mind I'll be like, why can you just do this? So if you don't have oven, it's fine. Just put the pepper mix inside your pot and put it on the fire. You don't add water and you see get same result. I'll be using a long grain rice and I like to add salt to my rice, especially when it's fried rice or jollof rice. I love to do this. I learned it from my sister and it's really helpful. So what I'm doing here, I just want to wash it and pour it inside a sieve for it to drain, because I'm going to stir fry it before adding water. I love to cook my jollof rice like that, and it's so nice and delicious. Please let me know when you try this method. You will love it. Can you see what it looks like? Like, can you see? And it's done. So afterwards, just blend it. Trust me, this is my first time using white pepper in my jollof rice, and trust me, there's no going back. I will continue to use white pepper in my jollof rice. So these are everything: washed rice, pepper mix, jollof spice mix, onions, Maggi, tomato paste. Yes. Can you see the consistency? Can you see what it looks like? What I'll be doing, I'm seasoning, I'm boiling, and I'm frying it. I allow the chicken to boil in its own juice before adding water. I added ginger and garlic powder because I didn't have the fresh one, but this really works fine too. Let's fry our jollof rice base while the chicken is boiling. Add your vegetable oil, add your sliced onions, your tomato paste, fry it very well until the oil changes completely. You know it's time for you to add your blended pepper. Add your blended pepper, add your seasoning, and allow it to fry. After frying the chicken, I'm going to add the oil into my jollof base. I added little vegetable oil because I was still going to use margarine. So I'm adding my washed rice here, guys. This is the real deal. This is the game changer that you should not skip. Trust me, you should not skip this part. I do remember to capture some parts before it got to this level. But of course, at this point, the rest is almost done. So I need to lift it so that the water is going to go underneath to avoid the rice to start burning at this stage. Don't overturn it so that it won't start burning. At this stage, assuming I have a foil paper, I'm supposed to use it to cover it at this stage, but I don't have, so I maintain my steez with what I have. I'm creating space in between, like an hole, because right now I'm cooking it on high heat. You don't want to cook it on low heat now, high heat, so that it's going to have that smoky flavor. And I added my margarine. I'll cover it to steam, and we're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.